Namaste, ma'am.
Good evening.
Yes. Namaste, Namaste, Advika. Good evening, children. Good evening, all of you. Sorry, children, it's almost delayed 10 minutes. We are with class 2-8 joined. Aishwarya, Advika, Ashwath. Yes, Ashwath joined, right?
Huh?
Ashwath is there in the class?
No,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Deepika, Soumya should join. Sritej, Adrit should join. I'll just give a reminder message, 1 minute, children.
Mama was absent last class. So what did we do?
Yes, Sri, is it Sritej?
Yes, ma'am.
Sritej, Advika, what is last class content we discussed? I think some exam paper, right, Ma? Did we discuss the exam paper? Yes or no?
No, ma'am, we just did the one exercise, 4.1, I think we did.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think 4.7. You gave that's homework.
No, decimals for not for this class, right? Sorry. Which class we should, which one?
This is ideas.
Yeah, geometrical ideas, right.
Ma'am, today can we click quizzes?
Ma'am, you are in mute.
Yes, Ashwath, sorry, ma. Right, children. I think we should start with the curves, right? Till last class we completed, and sixth bit I gave as a homework. Yes.
I have a doubt in the sixth one.
Yeah, we'll discuss all the bits, then we can start. So, consider the following figure of line MN. Say whether the MN, this is a line MN. Say whether the following statement are true or false in context of the given figure. So Q, M, O, N, P are points on line MN. If you see line MN, 1 minute, children, give a minute time.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Ma'am? Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Yes, children, please, is it okay right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Q, M, O, N, P are the points of line MN. Line MN, what are the points on line MN, children? If you see the line M and N, so M and N extended endlessly both the directions. So MN, what are the points on MN? So consider the following figure MN, say whether the following statements are true or false. First condition, is it true or false?
Ma'am, false.
Very good, very good. It's false. Why? Because in the line MN, only point, which points we have? MON. It's not Q and P, but they mentioned everything. All points lie on the line MN, so it's not. Coming to the MON are the points of line segment MN. Is it true, children? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. M and N are endpoints of line segment MN. Yes, this is if you consider only MN line segment, which is the endpoints. M is the endpoint, another line segment. N is another endpoint. So yes, N are endpoints of line segment MN bar. Right. Yeah. Coming to the next. O and N are endpoints of line segment PQ. Sorry, not PQ, OP. It's
False.
OP.
No, false, ma'am.
Which are endpoints here, Nana? O and P, right? Next, O and N is given. It's wrong. It's O and P are the endpoints of OP. Because M is one of the endpoint of the line segment QO. QO line segment. Line segment means it's a fixed length, right? M is one of the endpoint. Absolutely wrong. It's not endpoint because the line segment name is, it seems a QO. So Q is one end, other end is O, but they mentioned here M. So it's false statement. Coming to M is point on ray OP. Where is OP? This is OP. M is point on ray OP. Yes, M, is it M is point or N is point, children? N is a point on OP, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
False,
yes, next.
ma'am.
false statement. They gave M here, that's why it's false. Ray OP is different from ray QP. Ray OP is different from ray QP. Yes or no? Is it absolutely different? Because the ray
True,
OP starts at O. The ray QP starts at Q. Yes. Ray OP is same as ray OM. Ray OP is same as ray
Ma'am,
OM.
false.
OP is same as OM. False. Ray OM is not opposite to OP. OM is not opposite to OP. Is it opposite, children? Here, if you see, OM means this direction, OM ray. O is starting point, is not opposite to ray OP. Yes, it is opposite, right, children? They mentioned it's opposite. They are not opposite. Yes, but it is opposite direction. O is not an initial point of OP.
False, ma'am.
OP ray. No. Ray OM, sorry, O is not initial point of OP. If you take OP ray, O is not initial point. O is initial point. It's false statement.
Ma'am, for the eighth one, ray OM is not opposite to ray OP, so it's false, right?
Which one? This one, right? Which
Yes.
one, ma?
The I. Ma'am,
The same J.
no, ma'am. I.
Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. They are opposite to each other. OM and OP are opposite directions, right? They mentioned ray. O is the starting point. If you see here, if you look here, right, children. This is the line ray is mentioned. The point O, OP, this is P, OP ray. This is in this direction. O is the starting point and P can be extended endlessly. That's one way. And another thing is given. OP, OM. OM is opposite direction. O is a starting point. M is extended endlessly. So OM is this way. Yes, both are opposite directions, right?
Yes.
Right, children? Yes. But they mentioned here, what is the question here given? They are not opposite. They are not opposite means it's false statement. O is not an initial point of OP. Yes, it is initial. So it is also false statement. N is initial point of NP ray and NM ray. Yes, it is true. Because if you look here only, children, where it is starting point means always N, from N is the starting point, P can be extended endlessly. The direction was given like that. So here also N is the starting point and M can be extended endlessly. That's why N is the initial point. P can be extended, M can be extended. That's true statement. All right, children. Coming to the part, this is more important, children. Once a curve. What is curve? If you take any sharp edge pencil and a piece of paper, you just doodle it without lifting a pen and pencil, without lifting a pencil. The picture that results is called curves. Let me go with examples, children. So without lifting the pen, I can do any do. Yes, it is curve. Yes, it is curve. without lifting pen and paper, anything if you draw the things. Yes, this is curve. Yes, this is curve. Yes or no? I did not lift anywhere. Without lifting pen and paper, whatever the things I drawed. Straight line is also without lifting the pen I drawed. Yes, straight line is also a curve. And curves are different, children. There are different types of curves, simple curves and complex curves. Simple curves are nothing but curves which does not cross each other. Suppose if you see the figure, whatever the figure I draw, whatever the things.
Lines?
No, that's parallel lines is the line, yes, sir. Parallel line, one of the line in this. This is also a curve. It's not parallel because we are taking another line, right? No, my question is, curves are two types. One is a simple curve, and another one is complex curve. Complex curve. Simple, what is simple? What is a complex? Not only this, children, first before going to simple and complex, we need to learn about what are closed curves and open curves. What are closed? What is a closed curve? What are open
Which
curves?
is completely closed.
What are open curves? These are also very important, children, please. Because suppose if what are closed curves, the starting point of my, if you see, look the figure, closed curve. Yeah. Coming to closed curve. Yes. See, children, is it closed curve?
No,
Is it a closed curve? Why?
ma'am, because it is not completely
This
closed.
is I started and I stopped somewhere, right? What is a closed curve means? Suppose a curve, starting point and ending point will meet each other. Such a curve, we call it as closed curve.
Ma'am, in letter H, is it a curve?
Letter
H.
C. Letter H is it's intersecting as well as parallel lines. We can take this is also a curve, but we cannot say without lifting you are doing the figure. You check it if you are doing any without lifting your pen and pencil, it's a curve.
Ma'am, we are lifted.
Then it's not. Then it's not.
Okay.
Without lifting a pen and pencil, pen or pencil, you draw whatever the drawing happened. Those are curves. Coming to the part of curve, maybe curve can be curves can be straight line, curves can be open, curves can be closed, curves can be any shape without lifting pen and paper. So here, what are closed curve? Closed curve means the starting point and ending point are meeting. This is called closed curve.
In the sense
If,
like completely closed.
yeah, if figure not, suppose it is it a closed curve?
No, ma'am.
No. Is it a closed curve?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, why? Because it has little bit of gap.
Yes. So these two are not closed curves. Yes, this is closed curve. What are open curves? Can we call these curves as a open curves?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, is it now what is simple closed figure? Simple simple curve and complex curve. I will draw two figures here, children. Complex curve. A simple curve is a curve which is not which is not cross each other. Suppose if I'm taking a curve here, is it a complex curve or simple curve? Let me take a figure. Yes, it is closed. Of course, it is closed. What type of curve it is? I did not lift any pen or pencil, but here the curve crossing on each other. Yes or no? If you look here, this is the place they are meeting and going, right? So in this case, this type of curves we call it as complex curves. Simple curves are curves which does not cross each other. Yes, ma. Someone is calling, please. Raise your doubt.
Ma'am, actually, for the second one, you wrote simple curve. I think it is open curve.
Yeah, it's simple. Yeah, curve is, I'm not telling about is it closed or open. I'm not telling about is it open or closed. Just a curve. Simple curve. How it looks, a simple curve. Simple curve, always no need of closed. It should be open also, but it should not cross. Suppose you see, this is it curve, children? By looking this, is it curve? Because I did not lift anywhere my pen and pencil. I drawed an image. Is it curve or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
But it is crossing on each other. That's why what type of curve it is?
Complex.
Yes, it's a complex curve. Hope you understood, children. Don't confuse more thing. Closed means it should be closed. Open means starting point, ending point should not meet each other. That's one thing we will see. There are beautiful curves in your textbook. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, so simple means like the object which you're drawing should not cross.
Yes, that's all. That is only the point you should remember.
Okay.
It should not cross. Very good. Now, Advika.
Yes, ma'am.
First figure, if you see, there are few curves are given. Is it what type of curve? Is it a simple closed curve or what type of curve?
Ma'am, the first figure is simple curve, open curve.
Very good. It's simple curve as well as it's open. It's open curve. Very good. Yes, next. Ashwath.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath, if you see the second figure, is it simple closed or else complex closed?
Ma'am, closed curve and complex curve.
Hey, complex, anywhere it is crossing each other?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. See, very good, but don't worry about it. You people can, because you are very young kids, you should learn the things very perfectly. See, the figure, whatever the figure given there is, I did not lift anywhere, children. This is the figure I'm doing approximately. I did not lift anywhere. It is not even crossing anywhere. Just it is a closed figure. It's a closed curve. Yes, it is closed. And what type of closed? What type of closed it is? Simple closed. Yes, a simple closed curve. Yes, very good. Next. Aishwarya. Yes, ma. Aishwarya is here. Aishwarya, look the third figure, Aishwarya. If you look the third one.
Ma'am, it's complex closed curve.
Wonderful. It's complex. Why it is complex, Aishwarya?
Ma'am, because the lines are crossing.
Yes, of course, even though it is a closed figure, but the lines are crossing. That's why it's not simple closed. It's complex closed. Very good, ma. Very good. Next, coming to the part of Sri Tej.
Yes, ma'am.
Sri Tej.
Ma'am, the third one.
Fourth one, beta. Fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
What type of curve? Is it curve first? Please let me know whether it is curve or not.
No, ma'am, it's not a curve.
Very good boy. You are absolutely. Why it is not a curve? Because what is the definition I given? Definition of curve was without lifting a pen and paper. Doodle anything. That's nothing but curve.
Okay,
Let
ma'am.
me take my whiteboard. So what I said, without lifting pen and paper, I just without lifting pen or pencil, draw any doodle. Yes, is it a curve? Sweetej, respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, is it a curve?
Yes, ma'am.
But you said no just now.
I forgot.
Now you tell. What is this? Is it a curve or not?
It is a curve.
It's a simple closed curve or else just a simple curve.
It's a simple curve.
Very good. It's a simple curve. Now coming to the student, Adrit. Yes, Adrit.
Ma'am.
Adrit, look here. In fifth condition, it's looking like a snake. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Something doodle is happening with without lifting pen. Is it curve?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is curve. What type of curve, ma?
Ma'am, is it open?
It's a. Is it what type of curve it is? Yes, what type of curve it is?
Ma'am, is it open curve?
Yes, think about it. Is it closed curve? First, you have to check whether it is closed or open.
Ma'am, it's open.
Very good, it's open. Then is it simple?
Yes, ma'am, it's simple.
Yes, it's a simple. Just it's open curve. Next. Deepika. Deepika. There is a crescent moon shape is there. Sixth bit. Crescent moon.
Yes, ma'am.
If you look the crescent moon,
Yes, ma'am.
is it curve? What type of curve?
One. Ma'am, it's a closed curve.
Yes. Yes, you said it is closed.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. Advika, can you correct her? Advika. Some point is missing by Deepika. Can anyone in the class?
Ma'am, it is. Ma'am,
Yes, Ashwath.
simple curve.
Very good. It's a simple closed curve. Simple closed curve. Next, Ashwath, the seventh one. If you look the seventh picture, is it a closed or open first?
Ma'am, closed.
Is it closed? Starting point, ending point, or meeting?
Ma'am, that's no, ma'am, no.
Is it closed or open first?
Ma'am, open.
Very good. Open.
Complex.
Excellent. That's all. It's a complex curve. It's complex curve. Whether it is open, closed, so you can easily identify. But now you have to see, children. Drawing without lifting pencil from the paper, without use any ruler. These are curves. Curves are nothing but drawing without lifting pen and pencil. If you draw any figure, that is nothing but curve. Curves in everyday usage means not straight, but generally curve means what is there is a road is a curve shape. So you be little alert while driving. We are alerting our parents too, right? Yes or no? Curve we are general usage. It's not straight. It's something bending or something. It's not straight, but it is not true in mathematics. A curve can be straight in math. Curve can be straight like number 1. Curve can be straight like a line segment. So that's a difference in mathematics. Children, don't think general usage of curve. Definitely the question will be, is even Srijaj also said, ma'am, straight line is not a curve. Yes, it is a curve. Slanting line, sleeping line, horizontal line, vertical line, all these are curves.
Ma'am, 6 is a closed curve. 6 is closed curve or open curve?
Which
6.
one in our figures? Sixth
No,
one.
ma'am. 6 number.
Number six you're asking, right? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Good question. So you just see, I started my 6 from this point. Is it closed? I
Yes,
ended
ma'am.
here only. Is it
No,
closed?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, it's open curve. It's open curve.
No, ma'am. For a particular part, it is closed.
See
Like
what I said, whenever the closed curve, the starting point, ending point with should be meet. But for 6, letter 6, I started up and I ended here. Is it closed curve?
No, ma'am.
If you see our India map practically I am not much aware about. Our India map is it closed or open, children?
Closed, ma'am.
Outline, line, yes, it's closed. There I kept dots, but it says if you see outline is a closed curve. Now coming to the part here, observe the curves 3, 7 cross themselves, whereas curves 1, 2, 5 and 6 do not. If a curve do not cross itself, we call it as simple curves. If your curves, they're crossing each other, we call it as complex curves, but it is not given in your textbook, children. You please remember, if any curves crossing on each other means we can call it as complex curves. You will learn in your senior classes, but we doesn't have in the class 6. So we are only having simple curves. Simple curves does not cross itself. So that's only point you should remember. Coming to the part of open curve and closed curve. What is open curve? What is closed curve? If you see the, just now also I said, what is
curve means in that object there should be no gap.
Yes, absolutely. The starting point and ending point are meeting, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And open curve means it won't meet.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the difference. Open curve and simple curve. You can draw 5 curves each. Open 5 curves, closed 5 curves. Children, come on, please draw in your notebook. There are 5 open curves, your own figures. 5 closed curves. Next. That's more important point, children. Only the things, whatever the points we are taking away. What are the points taking? What is definition of curve? Definition of, if you want, you can write, children, definition of curve. Curve is a drawing without lifting, or drawing or doodle without lifting pen or pencil. We can call it as curves. Examples, if you want, you can. Without lifting pen and paper, you can draw any figure. Yes. Anything. These are the some curves. Drawing without lifting pen or pencil. Any drawing. So any drawing without lifting pen or pencil. That's first point. And the second point is, what is second point, children? What are simple curves? What are simple curves? Simple curves, they do not cross each other. Curve that does not cross each other. Curves which do not cross each other.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am?
Ma'am, like for the number 8, does it come under the closed curve?
Yes, beta. But it is complex closed. Yes, very good question.
Ma'am,
Curves which,
in definition of curve, you wrote any drawing with lifting pen.
without lifting pen or pencil. Sorry, very good. Without lifting pen or pencil. Simple curves which do not cross each other. Which do
Ma'am, you
not
will
cross.
conduct the quiz on curves today.
Yes, ma. Yes, we will. Just a simple takeaway points we will discuss then.
Ma'am,
What
can
are?
you my open and my close curve?
Yes, closed curves. You are drawing, ma? You drawed already in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I'll pin. 1 minute. Let me check. This is more interesting topic too, children. You can, where is, yeah, I can see you, Advika. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Very good. It's, I think, left side, almost all are simple closed. Yes, ma. Even 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. Very good. Advika is given simple closed curves. One she gave as one of the symbol like O. Second one she gave as something starting and ending point without lifting. Even a triangle. Can we draw triangle, children? Yes or no? You just think about it. Yeah, thank you so much, Advika. Please check whether triangle shape is closed or open figure.
Closed.
Yes, it is closed. Yes, it is closed curve. You can draw some example for closed curves, like a sheet draw. You can see. Yes, it is a closed curve. Yes, it is closed curve. Yes, it is a closed curve. Yeah, you should meet. Yes, it is a closed curve. Yes or no, children? Can we call these are closed curves? Yes or no? Yes. What are open curves? Starting point and ending point are not meet each other. Yes. Letter U, letter V, letter W.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Is number 9 a closed curve?
9. No, beta. No, it's not at all. Oh, you are asking without lifting pen and pencil. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But it is, it's a complex closed. Somewhere the point touches and going, right? You see here.
Closed curve, right? How can it be open curve?
Definition is closed curve means if you draw any curve without sorry, the starting point and ending point are meeting. Starting point and ending point are meeting. Starting point is only the ending point. Yes or no, children? If you see any figure, starting point is only the ending point for closed curves. For open curves, starting point does not starting point is different, ending point is different. It's not same. It's not same point. Starting point, ending point is common in closed. And what are simple curves over complex closed curves? I just gave an example. We doesn't have any exercise sums, children. That's why these are complex curves. The best example they are giving in frequent test. Is it a simple curve or complex curve? Star. The shape star is simple curve or complex curve. So why? Because the star is also, I did not lift anywhere my pen and pencil. Yes, it is curve. But it is simple or complex? Yes or no? Is it simple or complex?
Complex.
Complex.
Complex. That's more important, children. Please remember. That's about the thing. And generally, a testing point is generally in our day-to-day life, we are thinking about curve means some think curve shape. But in mathematics, straight line, is it a straight line is a curve? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That's one
Yes,
point, and frequently test whether it is a simple curve or complex curve.
Ma'am, can you conduct a quiz now? Because
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Ashwath surely will go. Oh, it's already 23. I'll go with only curves. Can we go with only curves, students, so that you can strengthen the topic? Because next class we are going with the polygons, and there is one point I did not mention the position of the figure with respect to plane. What is the position with whether it is interior, whether it is exterior, whether it is on the boundary. So children, I am asking a best example for you. Your interior of the home, right? Now you are sitting in your room and you are studying. I think you as one point, your interior or exterior?
Interior.
Interior, right? Now, which is exterior?
Ma'am, like
Exterior.
common halls, common area.
Very good. Common hall, garden area. That's an exterior place, right? If you see that outside your neighboring house, those are with respect to, yeah, those are exterior part. What is on the boundary? Exactly on your room. If you take the position as a room, your study room, what is on the boundary? On the boundary means exactly lying on the part. We will see tomorrow's class first. What is interior, what is exterior curve, what is on the boundary. These all things we will discuss. Then we will go with the polygons.
Okay.
Polygons are very. We will let now. I'm going with a small quiz, children. Please. Only curves, right, children? You doesn't want any other things. Only based on curves. Ashwath is very interested in quizzes because really it helps a lot, children. What are the takeaway points? Anyone from the class? Quickly, only fingertips, not everything. Only topic heading. Yes, Advika.
Ma'am, today we discussed about the curves, types of curves, open curves, closed curves, complex, simple curves, and then you
Very,
gave us like we should write 5 open and closed curves.
very good. Very good.
We knew is 6 is a open curve or not.
Good, ma'am. Good. Who are absent today? Soumya not joined the class. How many questions you want, children? 18 questions can I give?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Right. Yeah, I'm sharing your quiz link, children, in through chat box. Please join everyone. Please join quickly. You can try in your home 5 closed curves, 5 open curves, 5 simple closed curves, 5 simple complex curves. Tomorrow your homework is draw any all 5 types, children. 5 open curves, 5 closed curves, 5 simple curves, simple closed curves, and 5 complex curves. Complex curves. Complex closed, complex open. Yes, I think everyone joined, right? Did everyone join? Right. Very all the best, children. All of you. Complete the screen.
I'm done.
Mama, Mama hand has slipped for many questions, so I got so many wrong.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, children. Once you complete it, you can leave. Just have such waiting. Very good, children. But few questions are not there. But you people have tried very well. Wonderful. Good job. Good. But most of the questions are not there. Actually, about the course, there are multiple questions from other topics also. But you people really good work. You are doing absolutely good. Good, children. Bye, children. Have a nice day. Please write 5 open, 5 closed, 5 simple, 5 complex curves. Right? That's your homework. Bye, children. Have a good day.
ma'am, we should do the drawings.
Yes, you have to just draw the figures, draw the curves and send to me my personal WhatsApp number. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right, children. Bye, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Ma'am, what is the homework?
Ashwath, you can draw any 5 simple closed curves, 5 open curves, 5 complex curves.
Okay, ma'am. Bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
right. Bye, Ashwath. Bye. Bye, Nana.